If you are like me and if you love layering, the shirt jackets or overshirts are the way to go. And in this video, I got you guys covered with 5 best options from Amazon. And as usual, I got you covered with multiple number of options. Means the 2 neutral colors at budget and 1 color block jacket and 1 denim zipper shirt jacket and also a black color designer kind of a shirt jacket. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to this channel. Today's video is all about shirt jackets. I really love shirt jackets. In case if you are not aware what exactly is shirt jacket, or maybe with the other name they are called as overshirts. These are essentially the hybrid between the shirts as well as jackets. Not only the shirt jackets or overshirts were trending since quite some time, I feel that these are really important to up your style game a notch. Why, I will tell you. Most of the regions here in India, the temperatures generally are on the higher side. So if you buy any of the jacket, be it a bomber jacket or be it a denim jacket, you can't get most use out of them. Whereas when it comes to the shirt jackets, you can find these in different patterns and different fabrics or maybe different textures. Based on where you are living in and based on what purpose you want a shirt jacket, you can literally pick according to your need. Having said that, let us start with the shirt jacket 1 as well as 2. These are the same shirt jackets in 2 different colors from the Amazon's own brand House and Shields. They can price them how much ever they want to, but they want to sell it closer to 1000 rupees. One I got for 980 rupees and the other one I got for 1100 rupees. These are made of 100% cotton and these are the neutral colors, one in beige color and the other in blue color. Even though these are named as just jackets, because of how they look and because of the material compositions and the overall vibe you get with these are the shirt jackets. And I really like the colors, and these are the 100% cotton one, and the material is not too thick, not super thin as well. It is somewhere in between. I think this is a nice medium when it comes to the shirt jackets. I got this in a size of medium and they fit really well. These are the slimmer fit shirt jackets, and also when it comes to the overall length, they end just right for my height of 5 foot 9 inches. Even though the buttons are not color coordinated, I really like the quality of the buttons. There is a minor disqualifier when it comes to these jackets. That would be the branding. Even though it's minimal, I don't think so it is necessary to have the House and Shields logo on the sleeves. It's minimal, but that is something you need to consider. Overall, you can consider this brand from Amazon if you want a shirt jacket that is of neutral color, that is of good quality with nice attention to detail, and the material feels smooth as well. Moving on to the shirt jacket number 2 and at the price point of close to 1800 rupees. This is from one of my favorite brand, that is Jack & Jones. It is a grey wash denim shirt jacket from Jack & Jones that have a zipper to it. I got this in a size of medium. This is priced at 4000 rupees, but I got maybe 55% off on this one. This is a new arrival and I'm glad that I can find them at discounted price points on Amazon. So what exactly I liked? Of course, it's a denim shirt jacket and Jack & Jones is a well-reputed brand when it comes to denims. This is a grey medium wash denim. If you can see, there is a slight fade to it. And when it comes to the color, of course, it's a grey color, it's a neutral color. You can mix and match with the rest of the piece in your wardrobe. If you guys know me, of course, I like the double chest pockets or maybe called as flap pockets. When compared to the other jackets, each and every jacket have buttons, but when it comes to this one, it have a zipper to it. So altogether it gives a different vibe. I'm not generally a big fan when it comes to the medium wash or light wash when it comes to denim, and that too in this grey color. I don't think so it looks super presentable, but overall if you are into it and if you want a denim shirt jacket, that too in this grey color, because you don't often find denim jackets in grey color, and that too from a brand as reputed as Jack & Jones, which offer great quality denims. This is a regular fit shirt jacket and I got this in a size of medium, and I suggest you guys to go true to size. A minor disqualifier I can say, when it comes to the overall length, it's a tiny bit long for my height of 5 foot 9 inches. That's something you need to consider. If you guys have seen my previous haul on Jack & Jones, you must be already aware that what exactly I like when it comes to this shirt jacket. In case if you haven't watched that, let me go through that very quickly. Number 1. This is a black color shirt jacket, and is there any need to mention that how versatile a black color layering piece could be? And number 2, the design aspect. When it comes to the design, that's where this shirt jacket shines, because generally you can see these kind of designs when it comes to huge pockets and having these buckles and everything on designer shirt jackets. But Jack & Jones have them at a price point of 3500, and that too if you get them on discount, that's a bonus on this black color. And number 3, they have this contrast white threadings going on the black color. So altogether that gives a unique look to this shirt jacket with this huge flap pockets with these buckles. I also like the attention to detail when it comes to this jacket. The buttons are color coordinated and that too they are of high quality. Overall, if you get this on discount, it is a must have in your wardrobe, and I really love this shirt jacket. I do not have any disqualifiers at all. A minor point you need to note that even though it's marked as a regular fit, I feel that the fit is boxy fit. Moving on to the shirt jacket number 5. If you felt that the previous shirt jacket is on the higher price point, you may feel free to skip this video because this one is priced at 5,000 rupees. This is a color blocked blue denim jacket from Tommy Hilfiger that I got it in a size of small. If you heard about this brand before, you can easily relate how expensive their offerings could be. I got this at a discounted price points, but I spent 3,000 rupees on this one, which is a lot when it comes to a shirt jacket, and that to a color block shirt jacket, which is not as versatile as the normal solid color options. So what exactly I like? Of course, it's a blue denim jacket to start with, and I like the quality of this denim, and also the denim here is a bit thicker, so you can use this mostly during the winter seasons. And number 2, if you guys know me, generally I love flannels, and that too when they are in a combination of red as well as black. Here you have exactly the flannel material in this black and red block checks. They have gone with this red and black flap pocket, and the other side they have this normal denim flap pocket. And when you see the back side as well, the color blocking has been continued and the attention to detail is very great. I also like the buttons when it comes to this shirt jacket. And number 3 you have to consider would be the fit of this jacket. It is a loose fit shirt jacket. That's the reason I have sized it down. I got this shirt jacket in a size of small. So in case if you are considering this one, make sure that you size down for a proper fit, or if you want a regular fit. In case if you want the oversized fit, go true to size, guys. That's it for this video, guys. For each and every budget, I got you guys covered with one best shirt jacket from Amazon. These are the 5 best shirt jackets I can find on Amazon. In case if you find anything else, do let me know in the comment section below. I would like to include them in my future videos. Having said that, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you in my next one.